Prankster Gangsters. My name is Ridwan Ahmed, and what the?
And now we are playing
Shadow Fighting. This time I'm going to play some children. Window. Lock of pots. Oh, thank you. Oh, the red one has been chosen. No. Ammo. Good. Nice ammo. Oh, healing ability. I mean, just look at this. Spike, no. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Yes, that will work. Okay. The red one has been chosen. Now, Butcher accepted your challenge. Of course.
No, please.
I cannot stop this thing. Okay.
I already defeated Reaper.
You didn't save me. You did not save me. You defeated Reaper.
With Blood Reaper.
Blood Reaper.
What?
Butcher. Okay, Butcher.
His name is Basur.
Shut up!
His name is Butcher Lesser.
Who?
Look at his life.
Look at his health. Check that. Oh, why it is so laggy?
Who?
Oh, I like that. I like that. No. Yeah, Hammerhead.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, my. Oh, shit. No! Oh, shit. I think FPS. Okay. There's some problem with FPS. New monstrous bosses 3 in the world. Join the raids to fight them. Of course, I'm going to join it. No problem.
Oh my, this thing.
Sorry for that. I need to go.
I
Cancel.
have
I
to
don't want to join
collect
it.
this.
Maybe I should cancel this. I want to cancel. Who cares about FPS? The FPS is so bad in my opinion. Yeah. Take that. Oh. Good stuff. Oh no. Badness. Oh.
Madness.
Madness. Oh. What the? Madness. Go to corner.
Go from the side.
You son of a bitch, just die. Oh, what the heck? What the heck?
BGM.
Prankster Gangster Nation.
Who made 510 hits?
He is massive. Oh shit. Go from what? Yeah, oh no, yeah. Go do it, Senden Gurusha! Oh, what the heck? Block! Oh, why did I want to just block? No!
This game
is so buggy. Okay. 137, not bad.
500. We have 500.
fight him.
Yes, yes.
Please, 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 no.
Your favorite. Favorite.
I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay. Ah!
I'm dead. Oh.
Yeah.
I'm back to the beginning.
Okay, 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 okay. No, son of a bitch! It's just.
It's just my armor.
Why it's slow motion? That's my game. The FPS is extremely
Bad.
My hair regenerates. What?
What the?
It's a glitch. What? Oh. What? Oh. 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 What? Did I go to finish? Okay.
So many men give him shot. 407 and you have 171.
Go attack him like a boss! Like a boss! Perfect.
How did he do this?
Because I am prankster gangster.
No.
I like that. Obtain.
I like that.
Okay, now.
I like that.
Shut up. Okay, I'm going.
I like that.
Let's fight Megali.
No, 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 please, no. No, no, please, no.
Wait, what?
No, no, please, no.
Fungus! I forget.
No, 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 please, no.
Megali. Yeah.
No,
yeah.
no, 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 no.
Cancel. Okay. Shut up. Okay. Now let's try Hermit. Hermit, my love. Sorry. Okay. Now we are going to be seeing you how to be a prankster gangster by defeating him.
Explain mode.
Clip mode. Oh, the game of FPS is extremely bad. I think that's so laggy. No. You're going to die.
I'm not you.
I'm saying Buffalo.
You're dead.
No!
Why you bad in all games?
Yeah.
Hammerhead.
I'm going to hit like that and then that and that. Yo. Oh, what the?
Look at our life.
Look at our health. That's not a match for me.
Take this thing. Oh, wow, wow, wow. You're
This is
bad
not a
in-
game for me. Oh shit! Duty is so strong. I am strongest hero among the world. Maybe not. Oh, Goku, help me! Yeah!
आगे से शुद्ध आगे टिकटॉक का बनावे
Da. Okay. Bad there. Tall. Yeah.
आगे से शुद्ध
Yeah.
पंच करेक्टर इंग्लिश की
Yeah, go. Front punch. Front punch is not working. Yeah! My brother always disturbed me. Yes. Sorry for that. Not you. I'm not talking about you, Irfan.
You're my bad brother ever.
I am
Just like a
official-
noob.
I'm
You
not,
bad in Sharfek too.
I'm not bad at all.
You always use
Yeah.
आज के जानेन. What the?
Okay.
If I do. Oh shit, dude.
Yeah. Okay, now sneak and kick it. Oh, I told you that's what I'm talking about. Okay, thank you for watching. That was I'm talking about